vex, say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala full for your house.
Ada, I don't care. Okay. Hey, what are you doing here?
I should ask you.
Wow.
I live here with my husband.
Husband? Anyway, do you want to take your vet or any other thing?
Yes, I did, but I guess the landlady's instruction is new instruction. Has taken full effect, so...
You mean my mother?
The landlady is your mother?
Yes, of course, she is my mother. Wow. Anyway, forget about that now. Do you know what we'll do now? Make use of our own bedroom. Then let me go in and talk to her. Then later, you will tell me what you are doing here, leaving your father's mansion. Okay. We'll talk later, so...
Good to see you.
Thank you.
The landlady is your mom?
Yes, of course, she is.
Very tough woman.
How do you go? Later, you will tell me what you are doing in this house.
I know, but it's a long story. And don't judge.
We'll talk later. Are you down?
Yeah.
Hey! What are you doing there? You don't know what you're doing again. Eh? You have deaf ears, isn't it?
No, Mama, what is this now?
What is
No! This is unfair.
It's unfair.
This is unfair.
Will you get back to your room?
Ma, this is unfair.
Carry your bucket! You want me to throw it away? Come on, take this phone. Oh my God. Mind yourself.
Ma, I don't like this.
Give me the key. Don't tell me you lost my key. Don't tell me you lost my key.
I didn't see anything there.
Let me go. Get another key and lock it up.
I don't like this for once. That lady is pregnant, for Christ's sake. At least you will respect the baby in the womb. Huh?
Pregnant? Which pregnancy? Eh? Imembuke. No bride price was paid on her head. Not even kobo.
Mama, that lady is the daughter of one of the financial men in this town. If you see their mansion, her father can buy this house 5 times.
I don't care. I don't care. Eh? Even if he's the richest man, it doesn't concern me. Then let her go back to her father, her rich father, and live in their mansion. This is my own mansion. Instead of wasting her life in the hands of one useless, wretched bus driver.
Ma, no condition is permanent. Change your heart towards your tenant. Because I am begging you. I am begging in the name of God. At least you don't want me to be coming back to this house. I'll stop. I'll go to Asaba and stay with Uncle Mike. I'll go to Asaba and stay there. I'm sick and tired of all this whole thing. I don't like it.
Rubbish. Now you sabi, I don't care about any rich man. My own is enough for me. You can be the daughter of the richest man, I don't care. This is my own mansion. Anybody that is coming here must obey my instruction. I am the she that must be obeyed here.
As I tell you, Ada comot. Yeah? But you get one small thing when I want report to you.
What is it?
The way your mama they take treat us for this place, I don't like am at all. Eh? No, you be the first person who don't give woman belle for this world. Every time your mama go dey shout for me, like say I be small pikin. You see what happened the other day? If I say you wound my wife or you kill am, wetin dey for talk? Which mouth wey go take tell me sorry?
Shinkoye, it's alright, okay? Stop complaining. I've told you I've been talking to her. I came back from school to rest my head and all I'm saying is these things that my mom is doing and I'm not finding it interesting at all. Yeah. So please, I beg you in the name of God, forgive her, forgive me, forgive us. Forgive her. I'm begging you.
And they forgive am every 2 minutes. Before you finish one, when I don dey forgive, I don dey do another one. For Bible, they talk and say 70 times 7. But here, I dey give 100 times 100 times. Forgive. Why you go be like that? Anyway, I say make I report to you.
No problem.
So that because you gonna tell you another thing, you're not gonna see us as bad person.
I understand. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
So
if Ada come, I go tell her say you come.
Okay, no problem. Let me go in and shake.
Okay, make me too. I won't go work. I just come back, make I pick something for
Hey.
us.
So take care of yourself.
No problem. Thank you very much. People don't understand. What thing they have people no they know. They know. What thing concern them?
Chinekebe!
Hey!
Hey! What are you doing with my daughter?
Nothing.
How? Are you okay? Have I not warned you? You are going for pregnancy test right away. For what now? Have I not warned you to stay away from this man?
Madam landlady, how you talk like this? This thing I love your neighbor as yourself. You no go do am, abi? That one concern you. If you say you no go do am, leave am. But nothing go make me instead I die. Nothing go make me go pay for that toilet. Will be my rights. Now my rights with that, I get the right to shoot it there free of charge. You hear them?
What you're suggesting is not even an option. Okay? I will not ease myself in a room that I will have to sleep in.
You say no be option. No be option, Abi. Not even you say you no go shit inside that place, but you say no be option. If you no shit, now me you go pity for. Me we go carry the shit, now you go talk about. If you say you dey tell people say, okay, you pity me, that one go do it.
What kind of a person do you want to turn me into? Seriously! I will not shit in a room. I will not ease myself in a room that I will have to sleep in. Fine. If need be, worst case, I go into the bush and deal with my problem there.
Okay. If you say na bush be the auction, no problem. Go inside bush, go shit. But when you kneel down, something like snake do you financial chum, that one na your business. But for me to come out the money, go pay for that toilet, I go die.
Ejim, you need to sort this out, okay? Because I still have to take my bath. Just sort this problem out.
That means that you still get the problem. Make you wait. I dey come.
Wait. We're not done with this. Okay, I'm still discussing my bathing arrangement.
I know say you never done. We never even cook am before you go begin done. Now the arrangement, now we dey cook. When we cook and finish, if we not done, it go done. Just give me time. Make I go. I dey come. Small time I go come back. This one, this one go fit. I need to try am. Enter inside.
You get wetin you wan buy again abi na this bag?
Madam, if I no wan buy bag, I leave my passengers for inside motor come here. Enter, I wan try something. Okay. You get wetin I wan take and measure for her.
No wahala.
Okay. He walk.
Conductor, you mean say we go to wait you and your driver? We are dey waste our time here.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
I'm going to work. Look at the time.
See walker. You get work.
Shut
up your mouth. How much?
Conductor, save my time. I'm going to somewhere, please.
Na 600 naira only at the
On 600 naira. You add only put.
Yes.
600 naira. Where person go serve a put? Now you add only put.
Hey, Oga.
If you say I don't want to buy this bath, I go just come out. How you go say 600 naira? Only. Put only for my 600 naira. Wow.
Hey, Oga, no vex. Na same t-shirt no dey talk am, Oga, beg, no vex.
Make I advise you.
Okay.
Make you change your style.
Okay, sir.
Because if you no change your style, you go lose customers.
Abi?
Yes, now. How you go to say only? You know how many trips? When I go come back before I make 600 naira.
Oga, no vex.
You carry only put inside.
No vex.
I beg.
No go talk am. Okay.
So wait. I tell you should take my time.
Lady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, oh. Madam, Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala food for your house.
Stand up. Stand up, may come back. What is this? What do you think say be this? You don't sabi wetin baff be again. Eh? I don't bring her the thing where you go ask me be say, make I explain to you how you go take the user. You hear am? As you bring her like this, you carry bucket, put water, put her for here. You enter inside. You take cup, carry the water, you pour for body. No let am drop, make it make noise. Because if you make noise, the landlady hear am. Go sabi wetin dey happen here. Small, they take and they pour for body. You sabi how Indian people they take bath like this. Take am, yeah. When you bath finish, you clean body come out. The water, if you fit to throw am, you throw am. If you no fit throw am, you leave am. When I come, I carry am by my own self go throw away. You hear am? As I wan make this place self-contained for you, I wan make this room make it be self-contained. You go to bath, you go shit here, you go bath here, everything here. Na the same thing. Small thing, I know say you go get used to this thing. Na small, but the learner.
I will not use that to take my bath. I am not comfortable with it, and I will not do it.
What do you do with table again? Now you don't talk about this one and I go buy bath come. You don't talk about table. Where table go enter for this place?
I said I am not comfortable with it.
I dey talk
What part of that do you not understand?
Now? If you don't want to use am, leave am. I don't try my best. I dey try make this place self-contained for you. You no want here. You no want take am. You go shit here, bath for this place. You know they good like that. Okay. Okay, come on. Is it? Make I take am out. Something when I don't buy. Make I take am. Leave am here. There. If you like, make you bath. If you like, you no bath. Bros, ma check nothing for bank here.
Check. Man, I thought I will not go again. Come, give me money.
Collect your money, oh.
Babe, just go there.
Give money, give me money.
That money be far come out.
Where they go? Don't move off. What is this?
You can't talk company now. Wait till them for your eye. So no be Nigeria currency.
No, if I bring to go own.
Beg my check my
Mercy.
See, I don't trust because this person.
You know what thing will happen? You go wait for us. Make I enter bank, come out. I fit carry you go anywhere where you want and go. Yeah?
You won't come change my destination.
I no change your destination. I say make I enter bank, go take that their light, check this money, whether the money good because the money on your face, I no trust them. Make I go use the bank light and check am.
Go check am.
Where I come carry my money they go now. That money no get mark, but no be say if you go come, I mean I come to the quarry again. I no fit quarry, I no fit shout.
She been a house I speak for here just now. No. Now Ghana he speak. That's why you know here when he talk say he won't go check that money whether an original. No, people, wicked people like you now they suspect person. We never even say that money now. No be counterfeit. You hear they make one papa. Just they pray hard. Pray hard say that money no backfire because one backhand where I go give you. You hear me? Okay, now here we do. No problem. We know the things will keep on motor. What is that back you? Original. You check am well.
Give and change.
Wetin come dey give you dem?
Don't take your chain now. Cho. Ah. Your type of person don't fit them for husband. Now month you go take drive and come on.
Why you dey talk? Why that way you talk? You know say invest me. As you look this person, you resemble who go dey husband house. Everything they talk come out.
Nonsense.
Hold this thing.
This is because of this small money.
Give me.
Now take enter here. As I come up for this place, I carry big money for pocket. Now business I go do there here. Nonsense.
I hear give my money. Next time I wear
I don't want you. Before person enter here, make you make sure what you carry. You see this thing, not be two person. Eh? Two. Not be two natch without.
Two or three. One leg na one person. One leg na one person. The yash na another person. Carry you go where?
No, carry me go my destination.
You dey craze?
No.
Which time for the phone?
You go bring the address of your village. No, carry you go.
Now what transport I enter?
Na chata this motor. And now you are the one. I will not even check our tire before we collect money from your hand. Eh? See am now.
Ordinary person no go fit count am o. Even this boy they do census. If they see her, they go do mistake. I no try. Na two I count for her. I no say them be three. You know, as all the business is, sometimes we go lose. This one na lose. We don't lose today. You want to take carry 4 people.
How many people will collect money from their hand today?
Anybody wey no dey live for this compound, make you use the gate. I want to lock up my compound. If you don't live here and you still stay here and sleep here, now the tenant wey you find come, now you go carry am o. The punishment na for him.
Bros, take style go.
You mention my name.
Must you mention your name before you know say na you? This thing what it takes small talk now. You go wan make we shout. Now they do am. Eh?
He will go.
The 500,000. That one will take balance for the new motor. Then that flat, at least I go pay for. I'll do all those ones in the morning, so I know quick come.
Bring them.
So the provisions now, bring them, come give you tomorrow.
Let me go and lock.
Go now before they lock this thing.
Almighty God. God Almighty. I beg go, you too much. You too much. If not be you will give us moon to dey give poor people light. Waiting NEPA for carry our eyes see for this life. If not be you will give air free. Just give some people. Give them 2 minutes. Say make them they regulate this air. Make they just regulate as well. They go quench them. Witches. You? I beg oh, you too much.
Okay.
Nonsense. Waiting.
Go now.
What is it? They say go now. What they worry you?
Okay. The only thing that take my money back. Now you carry stone me.
You dey mad?
No. You.
Wait,
No. What do you want to do? See this guy. No.
Sit down.
See this guy. What do you want to do?
You won't fight me with my own money again.
What do you want to do?
After the help, what they help you?
Who you help?
Okay.
Idiot.
Okay.
Sit back in now.
Not be
Now
you.
you they cause all this thing.
Not be you.
Me do it.
Not be you.
Gate
man. Heaven's gate.
Okay. You.
I beg make I pass oh.
Now you they cause all
First
this
of
thing.
all, I am not your wife.
You look my wife.
Secondly, why are you screaming? You're not even thinking about his life. He's going to sleep outside
And so?
in the car.
And so?
You don't get husband. If you be better person, you go investigate what your husband and landlady they do.
Okay, Belgium. Boss rat.
Witch!
Boss rat. Okay, Belgium.
Witch!
Wizard.
Woo!
Okay, Belgium.
Let's see when I tell the make shakara. Woo!
People who have houses have gone to bed. Those who are perambulating, looking for where to sleep. Okay, boss. Go and sleep in the bus. Those who have money to pay for rent have gone.
If you like, make it die. If that bus run now, business don't finish. If one guy dey die, I get another conductor straight.
So the boss is more important to you than his life?
Eh? You don't know? Now that bus I take the feed you. See am, wetin dey vex me where you dey na your grammar. If you know wetin this landlady dey do, why dey? Now you don't understand at all.
Did you call my name?
No, I dey craze. How I go talk to you like that? I no call your name. Yeah. You see wetin you cause now? Eh? Oh, you dey laugh?
Yeah, because you back all the time.
I back.
Yeah, like a dog.
Say I'm the dog. Okay, I go tell you say I'm the dog. Wow. Don't near me. Nonsense. Okay, we go see am. If one guy dey die, wetin concern me? How many conductors dey for this world? I go pick conductor anywhere. Motor bus when I suffer, I do like this. Before I buy that bus. Let me say because of one guy.